We have not read the bill, and once we get a copy of the bill, we'll be able to react on the specific issues. But whatever we are also hearing in the media, it is quite unfortunate that the government has not has come up with a bill where the Lokpal will have no investigative powers. I mean, imagine an anti-corruption agency which has no investigative powers. It is just a post office. If the government is going to disrespect and disobey the resolution passed by the parliament, then what is the sanctity of the parliament? What is going to be the sanctity of the parliament resolutions? Forward.
So don't you have faith that perhaps when it is debated in Parliament and then it goes to the standing committee, amendments can come in there also?
So are you trying to say that the government has no responsibility? The government has given up its responsibility. The government's job is only to come up with highly defective bills. All the ministries and all the lawyers and all the officials of the government are so incapable that they come up with the most disastrous bills, and then the government says parliament will make the amendments. Isn't it the duty of the government, first duty of the government, to present good bills? They present completely unworkable and impractical bills.